So I have our main panel laid out here. This is the piece that's going to be the top of our fuel cell. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay out our bend lines. So the fuel cell has two basic panels. We have the upper panel, which you're looking at here, and then we have the lower panel. So each panel is 3 sides, and we got 2 panels. We're going to slip the 2 panels together, and we're going to create a box. By making it 2 bent pieces instead of multiple panels, it's much easier for assembly. It also has less area to leak after it's welded, and the last thing you want to deal with is a fuel leak. When you lay out your bend lines, you're going to want to lay them in a hash line instead of a solid line so that you don't confuse a cut line with a bend line.